In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a document in Grammarly Editor quickly and correctly. If you have old drafts, test files, or documents you no longer need, removing them can help keep your Grammarly workspace clean and organized. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through every step so you can do it with confidence. And before we begin, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Grammarly Editor and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, look through your list of documents and find the one you want to remove. If you have a lot of files, take your time and make sure you select the correct document, because once it's deleted or moved to trash, you'll want to avoid removing the wrong one. After you locate the document, look for the document menu. This is usually shown as a three-dot option or a small menu icon near the document name. Click on that menu to open the available actions. Grammarly will show you several options, and one of them should be delete or move to trash. Depending on the version of Grammarly Editor you're using, the wording may be slightly different, but the process is essentially the same. Now click delete or move to trash. When you do this, Grammarly may ask you to confirm your choice. This confirmation step is important because it helps prevent accidental deletion. If you see a confirmation message, read it carefully and then confirm that you want to proceed. Once you approve it, the document will be moved to trash in Grammarly Editor. If you ever need to recover it later, check the trash section inside Grammarly, since deleted documents may still be available there for a period of time depending on the platform's settings. But if your goal is simply to clean up your workspace, then this is all you need to do. To recap, open Grammarly Editor, find the document, click the three-dot menu, choose delete or move to trash, and confirm if prompted. That's the fastest way to delete a document in Grammarly Editor. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Grammarly feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.